Alright guys, now I'm going to be mowing at 2.5 inches. Of course with the Honda I'm going to be mulch mowing. Now 2.5 inches is my favorite height. It's the maximum rhizome production height. So we got to get it down to 2.5 inches. A few days ago I mowed at 3 inches, so should be pretty easy to do and look really good. So there you go. My neighbor's dogs got out. They were frolicking about. Alright, it's looking really good. Had to double cut it. It was a lot thicker than I realized. There was a lot of rain recently. Now I gotta do the side yard, but the sun's going down, so it'll just be dark, so I'm not gonna videotape that. But you get the idea. If you liked my video, be sure to subscribe. If you want to see me kill my old, beautiful, amazing lawn off to make you guys these videos, click the left video. If you want to see how I spread peat moss, click on the right one. Thanks for watching.